this is Dominique and thank you for coming back to my channel. I truly appreciate it. If you are wondering what all this is, I just did a pumpkin taste test, like all this pumpkin flavored stuff. That video will be up soon, but we are going to talk about this chocolate milk stout with cocoa nibs. What is a nib? Grade A. So basically this is like chocolate flavored beer. Now I know October is supposed to be like, you know, fall theme, but they had slim pickings when I went back to Total Wines and More. So I figured I'd try this chocolate milk. I mean, chocolate milk is good all year long, but I don't drink regular cow puss, so I don't drink cow milk like that. I drink like almond milk now. Food pairings: chocolate and grilled beef. Oh, they want you to, they pairing your drink up. They drink up with some food. Okay. Four Hands Brewing Company. This text is kind of difficult. Four Hands Brewing Company. Pregnant women shouldn't drink. 12-ounce can, 5.5% alcohol by volume. St. Louis, Missouri. Even better. Okay, 2 weeks in a row. You know, local beer. You know, local brewery. Okay, I'm feeling it. I'm getting excited. I'm getting really excited. Okay. I did not see that. I didn't see that when I went. I think I was in a bad mood, so I was just looking and looking. I wasn't coming across anything that looked at all that it was gonna taste good and felt, you know, with the thing. So I got one more pumpkin flavored beer, and I'm saving that for the last week of October. So let's try this one. Why does it say 11/25/2016? Do not tell me this is old, please, because y'all gonna be giving me wine for the rest of my life. The fuck? Ooh. Okay. Cheers. Oh God. That smelled like an ashtray. It smelled like an ashtray. I'm scared. It smelled like an ashtray. That smells like an ashtray. What happened? Oh God. What? No. No. Nope. That's not it. I knew it. I was hoping this would be good. I thought this would be smooth, but no. That tastes like an ash. That tastes like a Black and Mild. You know when the ash is kind of like the wind blowing it go. That's trifling. I don't know why. St. Louis, what happened? That tastes like an ashtray. I'm sorry, what? This must be like one of them drinks they're like, oh, it's for mature taste buds. You gotta be over 30 to, I don't know, but this is not it. I just can't get over it. Okay, one more sip. One more sip. I believe this was about 2 or 3. less than $4 at Total Wines and More. I don't know if this grade A is. I'm definitely giving it an F. Okay, I don't know what this grade A is, but they put no effort in. You know, C's get degrees. You could do a little something if you put in effort, but I don't think they tried with this one because this is nasty. Cocoa nibs are small pieces of crushed cocoa beans or cocoa beans that have a bitter chocolatey flavor. They're produced from beans derived from the Theobroma cocoa tree, also known as the cocoa tree. Cocoa beans are dried after harvesting, then fermented and cracked to produce small dark bits or cocoa nibs. Okay. It's still nasty. That explains what a cocoa nib is, but it's still dry. It's disgusting. I can't. Stout beer. Porters use malted barley, and stouts are primarily made from unmalted roasted barley, which is where the coffee flavor most people associate with stout comes from. Over my head. I don't know what that means. This is nasty. To me, this is my personal opinion. No. I don't get it. I just don't understand. This is that extra strong. If you like black coffee, like the blackest coffee, like the black pearl coffee, excuse me, you might like this, but this is way left. Way left. I can't. I won't. Not for me. Thank you for trying. I think you tried, but it's not for me. We're done.